Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany. It's been a while since I uploaded anything. I was going through a YouTube rut and questioning my life existence. I don't know if anyone goes through that or has gone through that. I wanted to take this time in the new year and film finally my couch Q&A video. It's not sponsored by Cozy, but they did give me this couch, and I thought since a lot of people had asked me about interior design, my living room and my couch, why I switched up this couch, why this company, etc, 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 I thought it would be nice to just format it into one big video where I answer everyone's question. Without further ado, let's get to it. So the first question that I got is why Cozy? So it's C-O-Z-E-Y. They are a local Montreal, Quebec company, and their specialty is that you can pretty much customize and build your own couch. They have a unique compact concept, so I'm going to be rolling some of the clips of unpacking the sofa and the ottomans. I personally picked 4 sofa seats, so 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 2 ottomans because I really wanted a very loungy, comfy, cozy vibe for my living room. The other couch, which I still kept by the way, in my mom's room, it looked super nice in photos. It was a statement piece for the living room. Unfortunately, it really wasn't a type of couch that you could, you know, sit back, cozy, and relax, or even take a nap on, because it was just so sturdy and it didn't really give any comfort back to the person that was sitting on it. Whereas this one, the Cozy couch, you can really lounge in it and fall back into it, and you feel as though the couch is giving you a warm hug. So that is one of the reasons why I decided to go with Cozy. Another one was that it's because it's a local Montreal company, and with the pandemic going on, I just thought to support a local company. And this couch came in white. I really wanted something neutral to fit into the creamy, romantic, European-esque / mid-century modern dream concept I had going on in my living room. So I thought that a neutral white colored couch would fit in perfectly with the aesthetic, and it honestly just looks like a big giant marshmallow in my living room, which I adore. How much was the couch? So their prices start at $495 for a 1-seat couch and up to $1,170 for a 4-seater. This is not including the ottomans that I also picked out. I picked out 2 because I really wanted my guests, and well, not really guests because we're in a pandemic, but my family members and myself to really be able to put up our feet and relax in the couch. They also offer free shipping and free returns in case you are unhappy about your couch. I absolutely loved it. I've had it since end of October. It is now almost end of January, and we still love our couch. We still use our couch. The only downside though, I have to say, is that since it is white, it does pick up on any microfilament, any cat hair, my dark hair on it. So just be aware if you do end up picking this couch, the maintenance of it does increase. How did you choose the color? So I wanted something more neutral for my living room. The muted pink was pretty neutral from the other couch, but I really wanted a giant marshmallow, a giant cloud in the middle of my living room, and I thought that since Cozy offered the white, it would be a perfect fit for my living room, and I do agree myself. I think it is quite beautiful and it blends in well with the aesthetic that I wanted. Was it easy to assemble? Yes and no. I don't know if because my brother and I are just really stupid and we don't know how to assemble things.
What do you mean?
Let's do it without the oh! But we had a little bit of trouble hooking under the couch. So how the couch comes is it comes in individual boxes, and you hook the bottom of the couch to the back side of the couch, and each of the couch hook onto each other as well. I also wanted to add that the couch does come with feet that you can attach so that the couch can be elevated. But since I wanted a really relaxed marshmallow slash cloud type of aesthetic, I decided to opt out on the feet. I still have them. They're in a box somewhere in my house in case I ever want to elevate the couch, but I just thought that it really, like, the no feet couch really fits the lovely cozy vibes that I was going for. So yeah, all in all, I would say it's pretty straightforward to build the couch. Not rocket science. I don't know if it's because I got a bad batch or whatever, but I did encounter some problems. But every other single video, unboxing video of this couch that I've seen, and all the other stories I've seen of this couch, no one has this problem, so it could honestly just be me. Very easy, very compact. I love how the handles of the box that the couch came in had what am I doing? Had handles on them, so it was easy to bring in the box and just move it around your house in case you needed to. And yeah, so that concludes my couch video. I hope this answers some of your questions. Obviously, my DM and my comment section of this YouTube video is always open, so if you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to ask me below or even in my DMs on Instagram. Again, thank you so much for your patience on this video. I don't know what happened. I'm out of the creative rut, so yay for me. Again, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.